Hello y'all on YouTube, this is Rob with Rob's Nerdy Knives. Today I have a very interesting unboxing for you, something that came in from JM. I don't know if you guys know who that is, but that's McNees. Jonathan McNees, I think is his name. Today I'm opening up with my Dark Bolt. Wee design. Cool little knife here. A nice hollow grind as well. Check out my unboxing for this video if you're curious more about it. Alright, get some of these stickers out, see what we got here. Alright, very cool. Oh, very cool. Alright, this is a Lynch clip made for the knife. Let's see what this says. Be nice, McNees. It's a cool sticker. I like that. Robert, thank you so much. Oh, that's cool, man. Nice, nice. All right, let's get into this. Opening the second box with my Love the Knives result. Oh, that's a fancy one. Look at that. Ooh, I'm gonna need another knife. And I know what the knife I need, so give me just 1 second. Since what this is for is going to be for this right here, my McNees MAC2 3.5 auto. So let's get into that. All right, Casey, very cool. It always looks like he hand draws that. Right. What do we got here? Oh, we got some screws. Oh, we got a nice little sticker. April 2022, McNees Sandust. Okay, very cool. Very nice packaging. I mean, it was expensive, so, I mean, that's cool. All right, so there's the clip. Let's see what's in here. Got there, okay. Now I had wanted to get the black one, but I thought I would get something that was close to the blade look. So this right here is a MX Gear clip. That looks pretty good, so I think I'm pretty excited about that one. So let me go ahead and try this right here. This is going to be T8s for these. I'm going to go ahead and take this off, close the knife back up. Now, my boys let it fly into the house, so if you see a flag flying by here, I'm going to try to kill that thing. It's really annoying. Alright, so this is supposed to fit right on like that. And let's see how these go in. Okay, cool, it go flush. Alright. So I'm guessing these, oops. Well, I got screws, but what are these? These are like little T6s? That's weird. Okay, I don't like those. Hopefully this will fit on here. Yeah. Well, let's use the McNees screws because they're T8s. Little T6s. It's kind of weird. I don't know if they thought about that, but there you go. get the other one. At least thread it first. I always wanted to see if, does it get in there deeply enough? Looks like it. Okay. Well, I wanted the black one, and that sold out really, really fast. I do like this one here. It's not a bad clip, but this is definitely cool along those lines. But I always figure, my goal is always to get the manual one. I want to get a manual one of these. When I get that, I'm going to probably put that on that knife, because I think that would just look so much cooler. And yeah, it does feel comfortable in hand, for sure. Yeah, and when you hold it here, definitely easy to hold there. So yeah, it's got some nice tension, but it's definitely springy, so that's really cool. So let me show you. This is the clip, and because of the way it's made, it definitely hides the screws. That was the only problem with this one over here. The screws stuck out, and they would catch on top of there a little bit, so it was uncomfortable. And I was wondering how they were going to deal with that, and they did a really nice job. You see how it ramps up a little bit right here, and then comes up, and it's kind of, they're flush, or at least they're inset inside the base or the attachment part of the clip. This is a little thicker, but it's nice and rounded around the top and everything, so it makes it really, really comfortable. That's really nicely done. You know, these screws are rather disappointing, little T6s. I don't prefer T6s, and I don't even know if any of those fit, because they look kind of thin compared to the regular McNees ones. I wonder what they are supposed to be for. This might fit, but see, it's a T6, and that's kind of ridiculous. So I'll still order the McNees screws directly from them, I guess. It was in case you lost it or stripped it. I guess you have something at least you can hold it with, but I would prefer the same screws there. But yeah, that looks really nice. Easy access to get there. Fits in really well. Definitely goes on really nicely. So if I were to show you, it kind of slides on just really nicely like that. And you see, and it comes right there and it goes right up. So really, really nice. Fits in there really, really well. That's really cool. I like that. I like that a lot. Very, very nice. Let's see here. We're still do left-handed over here. Yep. So close it. Really good. That's really nice looking, for sure. Definitely a high quality titanium milled clip, and this is definitely some milling involved, because you have the milling going here for the little thicker part, milling to cut through, and if you notice, the screws are recessed in here, but it's still a contact point. So you've got milling going with this ramp, milling for the hole, milling for the cutout relief, and the milling here, and then everything's nice and chamfered around it, and it still has that kind of a little angle that McNees has on his clips, which is really nice. I like that. So definitely a nice looking clip. Definitely fits this knife. I think it looks like it meant to be with this. Yeah, if he offers this again, maybe I'll get a black one for this one and keep this one for the McNees manual frame lock I want to get when I can find it. I'm always on the hunt for that. Really, really nice. So not much to this unboxing and installation of the McNees clip, but wanted to show you this Lynch clip is really outstanding quality. And I hope he makes more of these, because this is just really phenomenal. Beautiful, beautiful clip. Really, really like this a lot. And I'm glad he was able to offer these for us. It really makes this, I don't know, just have a nice extra touch for the knife, for sure. Really cool. This is a great knife, by the way. Definitely a big contender to ProTech, and I love ProTech, but man, I think I love this just a little bit more. Just something to consider. So there you go. This is the Lynch clip for the McNees knife, and let's see here. I'll show you what it's called. It's the MCN S Sand Milled Clip McNees Short Sand washed. They have a longer one, and I wanted the short one. I don't like super long clips, but if you like long clips, you can definitely get that. Really cool. Really, really cool. I really like that a lot. Yeah, it feels really good in hand. This doesn't dig in, anything like that. That's outstanding. All right, very good, very good. So here we go. If you have any questions about that, please let me know. Comment down below if you have any questions for me or anything you'd like to ask me about this or this video or any future questions. If you have any questions in general or any ideas for future videos, please let me know. I'd love to hear them because I always try to put those ideas in my list of videos. And if you enjoyed this video, maybe consider hitting the like button down below. I would really appreciate that. And if you've already hit that like button, maybe consider hitting the subscribe button. That would be super awesome as well. Subscribing and liking the video really helps this channel a lot, and if you could do that, that would be awesome. It helps me to grow, allow to have more content, more things to do, and it would be super great. So I appreciate that. And if you've already hit the subscribe button, maybe consider hitting the notification button so you can be notified of future videos and future drops. And if you've done all that, maybe check me out over on Instagram at Robs_nerdy_knives on Instagram. That's Robs_nerdy_knives on Instagram. Hey, thanks so much for watching today. Have a great day and a great week. Bye.